A very good morning to all kids. Today we will do English and the topic is match capital letter with the small letters. Right? First of all, mention the date at the top. Now we will start it. First of all, we will write the serial order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? After that, in that place we will write the capital letters and the other place we will write the small letters. Okay, and keep it in mind, in September syllabus only A to L portion will come for the matching, right? Capital to small matching, only for the matching. Okay, A to L portion, because we have done it till L now, that's why capital letters to the small letters will come till L, right? First of all, look at this. It's a capital C, big C, right? Where is the small c? We will match it with the C. Here is C. It is very easy to find because both C's are same, right? But it is capital and it is small. ये बड़ी है, ये छोटी है, right? No difference at all, ना? Only big and small का difference है, right? So it is very easy to find. Match the capital C with the small c, right? Now what is this? You all know it very well. H. Okay, H. Where is the small h? It's a round shaped H, right? So we will match the capital H with the small h, like this, right? Now L. It's a capital L. You all know very well about the small l. It's a standing line only. Okay, so we will match the capital L with the small l in this way, right? Now J. It's a capital J, and you know very well about the small j. There's a dot at the top of the J, right? At the bottom portion both J are same, but in small j there is a dot at the top, not slipping line, right? So this is a small difference. So we will match the capital J with the small j. Is it clear? Now come forward. B. If we cover the upper curve of the capital B, we will able to know about the B, right? Small b. It's a small b, right? But we will find it in this place. Where is B? Like this. Is B के जैसे वाला B. There is a small curve, right? No curve at the upper side. So you will easily find this with the help of curve. There are two curves in capital B, but there is one curve in small b. So we will match it with this, right? Now F. Capital F with the small f, right? We will match it. Now D. I told you earlier, if there is B, right, and the opposite side curve comes in D, so it's D. Don't confuse between B and the D. Okay. I is very easy to find because there is a small standing line at the dot and a dot at the top, right? We will match the capital I with the small I, right, in this manner. Is it clear, kids? You will do it in your notebook in neat and clean way, right? And with this work you will also do the small A to L also. Bye bye.